everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. My CVS haul went by pretty good. I haven't had a moneymaker this high in a long time. I was pretty excited for everything. Everything went by smoothly, and yeah, so I'm just going to share with you guys what I got so you guys can follow these deals. So yes, so I did this Sure deal, okay? These are on sale right now for $2. My store doesn't carry the Brute, but I got the Sure. So you guys want to use $1 off deodorant CRT if you guys do not have that. Or if you guys had that from last week, so you guys would pay $1 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making this absolutely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. If you guys don't have that $1 off CRT, this comes out to be just free. So wanted to share with you guys with that. I did the Tresemme deal. Now, the Tresemme is $5.29. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 2 $5 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts last week. Plus, I also had a 4 off of 14 hair care CRT. So I paid $1.87. $1.87 for 4 of these. Okay, but then you guys will get $5 back with an extra care buck, making these $3.13. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I do have a referral link below if you guys have not joined. If you guys join and you submit your first receipt, you guys will get 2,000 points. Or sometimes it's a little bit more. It fluctuates throughout the time. But I also got a $1 bonus for buying these also. So it was just a one-time $1 bonus, but then I also got bonus points. So it came out to be a $4.13 moneymaker for me for the Tresemme. So had to share with you guys on that. I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, I ended up doing the Gillette razors. Now, I ended up getting the ones on the picture because I feel like when I get these, I never have problems. So when I use the other ones, they need to be more specific, but I got these. These were $10.49, and I used 2 $4 off coupons that we got from our inserts a while back ago. I had a 5 off any shave CRT. I had a 5 off 20 CRT, and I also had a $2 CRT for any shaving needs. Yeah, so I paid 98 cents for the both of these. 98 cents. But there is a deal where if you guys buy 2, you guys will get an $8 extra care buck. So I made these a $7.02 moneymaker. I got these absolutely free, plus I made money. That is awesome. Awesome. Sorry, you guys, I'm a little bit hyper today. Why? Probably because I'm sleep deprived, so. Yeah. Ended up getting the Eucerin. Now, this is $10.29. My store only had one of these, and this was $10.79. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts, I think, last week. I also had a 2 off of 6 Eucerin CRT, and then I also had a 3 off of 10 hand and body lotion CRT. Now, the reason why I could stack those because technically it had to be $16 or more, and I did get $16 or more of a product. So I paid $11.08 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making these $1.08 or just 54 cents. So I love it when you guys can get lotion for that cheap. I love it, love it, love it. I also did the Maybelline deal. Now, I ended up getting the mascara was $7.59, and I ended up getting this blush for $5.99. I used 2 off $2 off coupons. They're 2 different coupons, so I used 2 of those. I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics. So I paid $6.58 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.58 or just 79 cents a piece. So I was pretty excited to get that. Their blush, I mean, their mascara is all right. So that is everything in that bag. The rest of it's just the big bottles of Tresemme. And I haven't used Tresemme in forever. I've been wanting to use it again. Like, I really have. And I feel like we haven't gotten the big round bottles in a long time. I feel like it's always been the other ones. So, yes, 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 yes. I'm just putting everything back. I have another bag right by my feet. Okay, so this is my couponing bag. Like, this is what I carry all my coupons and my little things in here. I am Reptar, hear me roar. I am Reptar, kick a dinosaur. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm in love with Nickelodeon. I love the Rugrats. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys this deal that I did. So I also did the, I don't have it in here. It's probably, okay. So I ended up doing that cash card deal, okay? The one where you get a cash card. I was trying to figure this out in my store because I had a ton of CRTs that I wanted to use. And this ended up becoming a great deal, you guys. So I ended up getting the Gourmet Almonds of the Blue Diamond, okay? These were 2 for $6. I used a $1.50 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts like in September, okay? I also got these these almonds. Again, these were 2 for $6. And I used another $1.50 off a 2 coupon, okay? So I ended up, these were $12 right here. I had a CRT for 3 off of 10 any snacks. So I had to make sure I got $10 worth of food. So these are $12. I used $2.50 off of 2 coupons. I used a 3 off of 10 snack CRT. So it comes out to that. And then also you guys can submit 50 cents times 2 and 50 cents times 2 on Ibotta. So I got $2 back with Ibotta. Plus with Ibotta, I also finished a bonus that they had. So I got an additional $5. But I'll explain that to you guys in just a second. So I got those with that. Okay, I got the Pantene. These were 3 for $12. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Plus, I also had a 3 off of 12 hair CRT. Okay, so so these were 3 for $12. I used a 5 off of 3 coupon, digital coupon, and then a 3 off of 12 CRTs. So that was like $8 taken off. So I don't know the math in my head. Okay, so I got 3 of those. Okay, I also got Persil. No, I do not have a coupon for this, but I really like Persil. So this was $5.94. I had a $1.50 off app only coupon, so I ended up using that. And then I also had a 3 off of 12 laundry detergent, or 3 off of 10. It was 3 off of 10. I don't remember what it was. Yeah, it was 3 off of 12. 3 off of 12. And so what I ended up doing is I got these. Now these quite didn't equal $12, but sometimes your store runs into that 5% rule or something. So I'm like, I'm gonna see if that works. If not, I was gonna go get something else. I was going to get the $1.99 era, but I had a 3 off of 12 any laundry thing. So again, this was $5.94, and I had a $3 or $2 off digital coupon, and this was $5.94, and I used a $1.50 off app digital coupon, okay? Plus I had that 3 off of 12 CRT that I used, okay? So all those before coupons came to $35.88, okay? I ended up using all those coupons that I explained to you guys. I paid $15.38 for all those items. I think there's 9 items for that. I also got the $10 cash card for spending over 30, and then I submitted 50-cent rebates times 2. So I ended up getting 2 50-cent rebates for the can, and then I got 2 50-cent rebates for the package. So that was $2 back right there. So my grand total came to $3.38 for, I think, 9 items is what I got. I don't remember. Yeah, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items. I paid $3.38. That comes out to be just 37 cents a piece. That is awesome deal, you guys. Now, if you guys do have some Persil coupons, go ahead and use that. But I think that is awesome. That is awesome. Like, I was so excited for that deal. Like, I was really trying to figure out my math in the store for that. But I'm like, that is a pretty good deal. I also with my other card, I got another shirt, so I got that one for free. The one I had for $1 CRT, the other one I did not. And then the last deal I got is the Rimmel. Now, these were $6.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons for this, and plus I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. I paid $6.98 for this, but then you guys will get $8 back, making it $1 to Moneymaker. So I actually got this, and I actually like this mascara. I got it free from Walgreens. They were giving away as samples, and I didn't like it at first, but then I ended up really liking it. So I was excited, you know, for that. So yeah, so that was my haul, you guys. I know that one deal is a little confusing. I'm going to try to write it down as much as I can, but it was a little bit harder. My total came to $3.86. That's how much I had to pay out of pocket. I ended up using $47 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $50 back, so like voila. I did get $2 back from Ibotta for the almonds, but then I also hit this like bonus that was going on. It actually ends, I think, on Monday, so I think it ends on Monday. I don't know, but I needed, between my Walmart haul and this haul, I got it. But yeah, I totally forgot about it. So that was $5 extra I got from Walmart, or from Ibotta. And then I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards for the Tresemme, but I also got 1,000 points for the Tresemme because that was the first receipt that I scanned. So I technically got 1,300 points from Fetch Rewards, which is technically like $1.30. Whoopee. But hey, but anyways, if you guys add everything together, it came to be a $7.14 moneymaker. I got absolutely everything for free, which I love it. I haven't had a moneymaker that big in CVS in a very long time, so I was pretty excited with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. I will see you guys all next week for another haul. And again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.